Once upon a time in a small village nestled in the rolling hills of England, there lived a kind-hearted woman named Elena. She was known throughout the village for her gentle nature, her generous spirit, and her unwavering love for her husband William. William was an English teacher, passionate about sharing his love for the language with others. He often spent his days teaching the local children and adults how to read, write, and speak English fluently. Despite her enthusiasm, Elena noticed a shy young woman sitting in the back of the room. Her name was Anna, and she had recently moved to the village from a far-off land. Anna's husband had brought her to England in search of a better life, but she found herself feeling lost and isolated in a country where she couldn't speak the language. As the weeks went by, William took notice of Anna's determination to learn English. Despite her struggles, she worked with unwavering dedication, eager to improve her language skills. Impressed by her perseverance, William approached Anna after class one day and offered to give her some extra help outside of class. Anna was overjoyed by the offer and gladly accepted. William began spending his evenings tutoring Anna, patiently guiding her through the complexities of the English language. With each lesson, Anna's confidence grew, and soon she was able to hold simple conversations with the other villagers. As Anna's English improved, so did her connection with William. They discovered a shared love for literature and spent hours discussing their favorite books and poems. William was amazed by Anna's progress and impressed by her passion for learning. Before long, William realized he had found not only a dedicated student but also a kindred spirit. He found himself falling deeply in love with Anna's gentle nature, her intelligence, and her unwavering determination. As their love blossomed, William knew that he wanted to spend the rest of his life with Anna. He proposed to her one beautiful spring afternoon under the shade of an ancient oak tree in the village square. With tears of joy in her eyes, Anna accepted, and they were married in a joyous ceremony surrounded by their friends and family. From that day forward, Anna became not only William's wife but also his greatest supporter and ally. Together, they continued to teach English to the villagers, using their shared passion for the language to inspire others to learn and grow. Over the years, William and Anna's love only deepened, strengthened by their shared experiences and their mutual respect for one another. They traveled the world together, exploring new cultures and languages, always returning home to the village they loved. And as they grew old together, William and Anna remained a shining example of true love and partnership to the villagers. They were not just the local English teacher and his wife, but symbols of hope, kindness, and the power of love to overcome any obstacle. And so, in a small village in England, William and Anna lived happily ever after, their love story inspiring generations to come.